Morning traders, it's 10:16 on the 2nd of August. I haven't been able to record up to this point this morning, so I just want to let you in on what I've been doing. So you see I've drawn a trend line over here. This was from the 9 o'clock candle down to the 9:20 candle, and then it broke through the trend line at 9:25. There weren't extremely strong candles, so I put my order quite a bit higher, which was triggered then on the 9:35 candle. It went pretty well for a while and didn't quite reach our take profit. We were about 300 odd rand up, and now it's unfortunately come down quite a lot. We're 226 rand down as things stand. My stop loss is down here at 513 rand, so we almost halfway to our stop loss. I'm hoping that we'll see a turnaround before it gets down there, and it will go to our take profit, but that remains to be seen, and I'll let you know the outcome of this trade once it's done. Okay, it's 12:56, just before 1. Unfortunately, as you can see, our trade reached our stop loss at 11:50 on the 11:50 candle. We unfortunately made a loss of 517 rand on that trade, so not a great start. It was a very long trade. It took a while, took over 2 hours, and unfortunately hit our stop loss. So what we're looking at now is if you draw this trend line over here, if it breaks this trend line on the way up, we can enter a long position, or alternatively, if it breaks this trend line on the way down, we can enter a short position. My guess would be, if you look at the trend for the day so far, we're definitely in a downtrend. So I'd be more inclined to want to take a short. So let's see what happens if it breaks below this. It's currently bouncing on this pivot level. So if it breaks through convincingly, closes below this line, and the stochastic shows a downward turn through the 80, we'll enter a short. But we'll have to see what happens and take things as they come. Okay, so it's 1:39. We've just broken below this trend line that I've drawn over here. As you can see, it went up after we last recorded the clip. So I'm going to place an order to go short over here as it's broken through the 80 on the stochastic. So I place the order over here, just below this, with the stop loss at 588 over here. And 80% of that would be 470. So I'm going to put my take profit at 473 over there. As you can see, not a long distance, and we've just got triggered into the short position, so hopefully it will take us out at our take profit, and we can regain some of the losses we made on the previous trade. Okay, it's just about a minute later after the previous clip. The momentum downward seems to be quite strong at the moment. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to move my take profit down to these levels over here, which coincide with the pivot point. So that would give us 960 Rand profit. And just keep an eye on it and see if the momentum remains strong downwards. If it gets to this level, which was our take profit, I'll move my stop loss there just to lock in that profit. But yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on it and see if it goes down as strongly as it started. Okay, it's 4:20. I haven't been able to record for a while, but just to update you on what happened with our short position, we entered over here going short, and then remember we moved our take profit from this area over here down to this pivot point, and I'm happy to report that it reached our take profit here at 245, and we made 962 Rand on that trade. It almost took us out at our stop loss, which was up here. Didn't look great for a while, and then it took us out down there. Currently we're looking for a long position over here. If you have a look at this, actually if I adjust that like so, you'll see that this downward trend was broken. The stochastic went through over there, so actually we're going to enter a long position right about where it is now. I'm immediately triggered, and our stop loss is down here. It's quite a large position, so it's 1,370 stop loss. 80% of that is 1,096, so that will be round about, so that's a bit high, that'll be round about this pivot point. Let's just put it there, 1,078. So yeah, all signs are looking good for it to go up. It's gone because the American markets are open, it's a lot more volatile at the moment with bigger swings. We're 250 Rand down, but it's obviously still very early days in this trade, and we'll see where it takes us. Okay, it's just gone 5 o'clock, and as you can see this great picture in front of me here, it's our trade that went to its take profit level. It struggled a bit in the first couple of minutes, and then just went nicely upwards and went way further beyond our take profit. In that trade we made 1,081 Rand and 67 cents, which gives us a total of 1,526 Rand and 43 cents for the day. Great outcome considering we started off with a loss, and it worked out nicely in our favor. So that's a great trading day, and look out for tomorrow's video where hopefully we'll have some more success. Cheers.